If you want to learn how to start a home-based business, you're in the right place. So maybe you're someone that wants to quit a job you hate, or maybe you just want to generate income from the comfort of your home without leaving the house and do it in a way that's very simple, easy, and maybe especially if you're someone brand new, does not require a lot of technical ability or effort. I've been doing this for a very long time now. I've been able to generate a full six-figure income just working about 1 or 2 hours a day from a smartphone and sometimes my laptop. And what I'm going to share with you is 3 easy steps anyone can take, especially if you're brand new, to really get this going in as little as 48 hours. I know that sounds unbelievable, but it's totally possible. We have a lot of people that are using this exact business doing just that. Using this exact business, I personally have been able to generate up to $1,800 a day. And the best part is a lot of this money is coming in totally on autopilot, as I'll share in one of the steps a little bit later. The last thing before I dive into the very first step to set up this home-based business very quickly and easily is there's going to be a link directly below in the description at any point in this video. If you want to go further and actually set up this business in record-breaking speed, you can check out much more information at the link below. First step, my friend, is I highly recommend when you want to do a home-based business, you avoid selling services. When it comes to having a home-based business, all you're doing is you're selling, right? You're selling an offer to people that want to buy that offer. And you can either sell services or you can sell products. Now, why do I say avoid selling services? Well, especially if you're someone that likes the idea of freedom. You know, maybe you want to be able to travel, spend more time with your loved ones. If you're doing a service, unless you outsource it to someone else, which could be kind of expensive, you're going to have to deliver that service, and then you still have a glorified job. If you create a business to sell logo designs to business owners, you're still having to create the logos yourself and spending all that time. But instead, if you sell a product, you can literally deliver that product and they get access to it on autopilot. I'm going to share with you how you can set up an autopilot process where you can literally deliver that product even while you're sleeping, right? And they get access to it instantly. And the amazing thing is once you have a product, you can just keep reselling it. So it takes no time of yours to actually do that. When it comes to promoting a product, there's actually a way that you can get products that you don't even have to create yourself that are high converting, that are selling well, and you can actually sell those products as your own and keep 100% profit. This is what I highly recommend because you don't want to go through the long trial and error of creating your own products only to realize no one wants to buy them. I actually did that 2 times on my journey. I created all this, courses and modules, and then I went to try to sell it and no one was interested. What I discovered after massive trial and error is something called MRR, or Master Resell Right products. These are products that give you the ability to resell them as your own. Typically, you just have to buy the products once and then you get the rights to resell them. This allows you to save massive time because number 1, they're already in demand and they're already valuable. And number 2, you already have something ready to go to deliver to people. Now, my second step to set this up to even generate passive income with a home-based business is to leverage automation. What you need to understand is when you go to sell a product, most people are not going to buy the product that day. They need to think about it. Think about you. If you've ever seen a product online, chances are you had to talk to your spouse, you had to talk to a friend, you had to think about it, and then eventually you bought it. So most people need to get followed up with in order to buy. They may need to see this product 7 times before they're ready to buy. So what you can do is leverage an automated system that collects these people's email address, and then you can have automatic emails that send 1 per day, sending back to that person, getting them to check out the product, check out testimonials, check out information until they're ready to buy. This one strategy allows you to free up your time. This is how I'm able to generate $900 commissions even while I'm sleeping, is because this automated system is running in the background. Now, the amazing thing is at the link below, you can actually get access to an entire done-for-you automated system, including done-for-you products that will actually start selling those products for you. So I do want to include that resource directly below. But once you have this automated system set up, the last step is simply getting people to your link, because when they go to your website link, that will ask them for their email, and then the automated system will do all the rest for you. It will do all the telling, selling, and following up for you. So now how do we get people going to our link? That is the secret. That is the secret sauce. And I'm going to reveal to you 2 incredibly simple strategies you can use with no followers, no tech ability right now to start to get tons of clicks to your link. So by the end of this video, again, you can go out there and start to get a massive amount of income flooding into your bank account. So what the 2 methods are is number 1, copy and pasting advertisements on highly visited websites. Online is the fastest way to sell products because you can get access to millions of people. We don't want to go around our car lot and pass out flyers. We don't want to knock on doors, especially if you're someone that's introverted, like me, someone that doesn't have a lot of energy to talk to people, this is gonna be amazing because you can literally just copy and then paste advertisements on websites that have millions of visitors, and some of those people are gonna be interested. Some of those people are gonna want more information, and they'll ask you, hey, how does this business work? Or how does this product work, right? I want more information. This is called generating a lead. Now, the amazing thing is you can actually post these ads for free. You do not have to do paid advertising. All of the advertising I've mostly done on my journey online to make multiple six figures is just using free organic traffic. So when you post these ads, interested people will respond, and then all you have to do is send those interested people, send those leads, the link to your automated funnel and system, and then everything else will be taken care of. The second and last method I recommend is posting content on social media. Now, this can be in the form of a video on YouTube. This can be in the form of a pin on Pinterest. This could be an Instagram photo, in your story. What you want to do is post content that's going to be speaking to the problems of your ideal customer. Because what's going to happen is on Instagram, for example, there's millions of people, but when you post a video or you do a photo that's speaking to the problems, it will attract people to you that are interested in solving those problems. The very same way you're clicked on this video and are watching this video now and you want to start your own home-based business, I attracted you to this video. The same way is how you're going to be able to attract people to you. So you post and then you give value in this content, and then you do a call to action. You tell them at the end of the content, hey, if you want to learn more, comment yes below, or if you want to learn more, ask me for information. So when these people comment from the ads or the content, all you have to do is send them the link to your automated system, and like I covered earlier, those will start to work to sell these 100% done for you products. This, my friend, is the easiest home-based business to start today because you don't need any followers. You don't need to spend time creating products or your own store. You don't have to deal with shipment. You don't have to talk to people. It's almost entirely automated, and it's absolutely incredible. So if you're watching this and you want to discover how you can access the same 100% product that myself and tons of people from around the world are selling to earn instant payments, and you also want access to the done for you high converting automated system, as well as training and templates to create and post ads and content, just go to the link directly below, put your best email into my website, and then look out for an email to your inbox on exactly how to set this up. Also, like the video if you got value and want me to create more, and then subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest training. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.